Everyone dreams of becoming wealthy and achieving money freedom. However, figuring out the best ways to make this dream a reality can be challenging. There are numerous strategies and advice out there, but which ones actually work? This video aims to guide you through 7 effective and quick methods to building wealth, supported by the expertise of certified financial planners and qualified financial advisors. In today's world, where technology plays a significant role, managing your money has become more accessible and efficient. This is thanks to advancements in digital wealth management tools that help you track and optimize your finances easily. Despite the convenience of these tools, the guidance of a professional can make a big difference. Certified financial planners are trained to understand your financial situation and help you set realistic goals. Meanwhile, qualified financial advisors can provide personalized investment strategies that align with your financial goals. Investing is one of the key aspects we'll explore. We'll look into the benefits of putting money into things like the S&P 500 index fund, a popular choice for those looking to participate in the stock market without taking on too much risk. This video isn't just about quick fixes but trusted and effective paths to building wealth. Whether you're starting with a small amount or have some savings to invest, these strategies are designed to help you grow your money safely and effectively. Let's dive into these tested and trusted best ways to get rich fast, ensuring you make informed decisions to reach your financial goals swiftly. Number 1. Educate yourself about personal finance. One of the first steps to best way to become rich fast is to understand how money works. This means learning about personal finance basics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make with your money. Many people find finance complicated, but there are plenty of resources available to help simplify these concepts. Books, online courses, and financial workshops can provide valuable information. You can also consult a certified financial planner who can explain complex topics in an easy-to-understand way and help you create a plan that fits your personal needs. By learning how money works, you can make smarter financial decisions and sidestep common pitfalls like accumulating too much debt or making poor investment choices. When you grasp the basics of budgeting, you gain control over your monthly spending, ensuring you don't live beyond your means while setting aside money for future needs. Saving is just as crucial. It not only prepares you for unexpected expenses but also provides the funds necessary for investment opportunities that can significantly increase your wealth. Investing your savings in various assets such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can accelerate your financial growth, especially if started early. Additionally, understanding how to manage debt effectively, knowing the types of debt available, their interest rates, and how to pay them off efficiently is vital. This not only prevents financial strain but also helps improve your credit score, which is beneficial when you need to borrow money under favorable terms. By educating yourself in these key areas of personal finance, you lay a strong foundation for financial success and a faster route to building wealth. Number 2. Smart budgeting and savings. Smart budgeting and saving are fundamental steps toward building wealth quickly. Budgeting involves carefully monitoring and planning your expenses to ensure you do not spend more than you earn each month. By setting up a budget, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and adjust accordingly. This might involve cutting back on non-essential items or finding more cost-effective alternatives for necessary expenses. Creating a budget also helps you prioritize saving. Consistently setting aside a portion of your income is crucial because these savings can act as a safety net for unexpected costs and are essential for making future investments. To make saving easier, consider using digital tools that automatically transfer a set amount of your paycheck into a savings account. This automation ensures that you save regularly without having to think about it each month. Additionally, having a clear budget and savings plan can relieve financial stress by providing a clearer picture of your financial situation. This clarity allows you to make informed decisions about your money, helping to accelerate your journey towards financial independence and building wealth. By mastering these practices, you position yourself to take advantage of investment opportunities that can multiply your savings over time. Number 3. Investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is a powerful way to grow your wealth quickly. When you buy shares of companies, you're essentially owning a piece of those businesses. As the value of these companies grows, so does the value of your investments, potentially increasing your money faster than traditional savings methods. For beginners, a good starting point in the stock market is investing in index funds, particularly those that track major indexes like the S&P 500 Index Fund. These funds include a variety of company stocks, which helps spread out your investment risk. This diversification is beneficial because it means your financial success isn't tied to the performance of just one company. Before diving into stock investments, it's important to learn about how the stock market works and the different types of stocks and funds available. Consider talking to a qualified financial advisor who can guide you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. They can help you understand how much of your savings you should invest and how to balance your investments to manage potential risks effectively. By investing wisely in the stock market, you can take advantage of the potential for high returns, helping your savings grow at a faster pace and bringing you closer to your financial goals. Number 4. Automate and optimize investments. Automating and optimizing your investments are key strategies for building wealth efficiently. By setting up automatic transfers to your investment accounts, you can consistently invest money without having to remember to do it each time. This method ensures that you continually contribute to your investments, taking advantage of market growth over time and reducing the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Optimizing your investments means adjusting them to get the best possible returns while managing risk. This involves spreading your investments across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, which is known as diversification. Diversifying helps protect your money because when one type of investment might be doing poorly, another might be doing well. Many online platforms and financial advisors now use digital tools to help investors automate and optimize their portfolios. These tools can automatically rebalance your investments to maintain a consistent level of risk based on your personal financial goals and market conditions. This means if your stock investments grow significantly and begin to outweigh other types of investments, the tool can sell some stocks and buy more bonds or other assets to keep your portfolio balanced. Using automation and optimization tools, you can make smarter investment decisions, save time, and potentially increase your returns, all of which contribute to growing your wealth faster. Number 5. Venture capital and angel investing. Venture capital and angel investing are methods of investing money into startup companies with a potential for high growth. This type of investment is more adventurous because it involves supporting new businesses that can either become very successful or fail completely. Venture capitalists are typically part of investment firms that pool large sums of money to invest in several startups. They not only provide funds but also guidance and resources to help these companies grow. Angel investors, on the other hand, are usually individuals who invest their own money into startups at an earlier stage than venture capitalists. Both types of investing offer the chance to earn substantial returns if the startups do well. This is because early financial support can allow you to own a part of the company before it becomes worth a lot more. However, the risk is also higher compared to traditional investments like stocks or bonds. A startup's success can be uncertain, and many do not succeed. If you're interested in venture capital or angel investing, it's important to thoroughly research any startup you consider investing in and to understand the industry it operates in. Having a diversified investment portfolio can also help manage the risk involved in this type of investing. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.